So hey users, today we are going to learn how to download VS Code in MacBook. So without any wasting time, open your any browser and search here Visual Studio Code. And after searching, you will see a first website, and that was the official website of VS Code. Just click on it. After that, press download for macOS. This will download a file into your downloads folder. After downloading, you can see here's download will start soon. And after downloading, open your Finder app and go to downloads. Now you can see a zip file here. Extract it in your MacBook by double click. After double clicking, you can start the file is exporting. After that, you can see here is an application icon name Visual Studio Code, and just press on it to open the Visual Studio Code. But if you wanted to add them in your application folder, just do one thing: drag this. Firstly, let's see the interface of the Visual Studio Code. Just give the permission to open, and now you can see here is your Visual Studio Code and how it looks like. But if you want that application on your apps and Finder, so just go to the Finder icon and open another window, and drag it down. Just simply go to the downloads and drag it down to the application section, just like that. And now you can see your Visual Studio Code application is now on applications folder, and now you can access it from your applications section.